Hey, what's up guys? This is Wally. I'm from Legion. So today I'm going to show you a new product, ELM327. So this is the package, as you can see. Okay, this is the front side. We have pictures, Bluetooth, some stuff. Okay, and back side we have all the details. Okay, so now I'm going to open it. See how's inside. Alright, this is the little stuff here. And yeah, as you can see, it's very small, it's very tiny. So when we plug in, it's very convenient. Okay, not very big, like, you know. So look at this. Here it is a Rode. Rode is our brand, so from our company. And this is like connected with the Bluetooth. We use the Bluetooth connected with the app. And also we are compatible with iOS system, also Android system. Okay. This one, the standby power consumption is very low. It's very little, only 5 mAh, very little. So now I'm gonna plug it in. Okay. So for the iOS system, our product can compatible with the car scanner, auto doctor, and also gig obd. Okay, 3 kind of things for iOS system. And we also can compatible with the Android system. So our product not only for talk, also can compatible with other apps. For example, car scanner, gig obd, and also dash command. Okay. As you can see, this is iPhone 8. So we're gonna talk about later with the Android system. But first of all, let's check about this. Okay. See here, this is the app, car scanner. Look at here, disconnected. So we have to connect with the Bluetooth. So now we go to the Bluetooth. We turn on the Bluetooth. We're back. Now I'm gonna get the car started. I'm gonna connect right now. So now it's connected already. Here have some information or some functions, but the most important one is the DTC, diagnostic trouble codes. Today we're gonna talk about this. Firstly, we're gonna read the trouble codes. Okay, so here, read. We're gonna do it automatic, right? No DTC found. So my car is cool, so I don't have any problem. My car don't have any problem, so this is cool. So if your car has some problem, they showed up some DTC, then you go to fix your car, you're done with it, then you have to clear your DTC. So we go to clear. Okay, here also automatic. Okay, it's done. That's the app of DTC. This is an Android system cell phone. It's a Chinese one, so Vivo. Okay, so look at here, this is the app, talk. And also look at here, it's flashing, so it means disconnected with the Bluetooth. So we have to turn on the Bluetooth and first, let's see. Okay, now I'm gonna start the engine. Once I start the engine, here is stable, not flashed, right? And here the number is running. Of course, important thing is here. If you see it's stable, not flash, means already connected. And here have different functions, but other things are pretty easy. Today we're gonna talk about the 4 codes. Okay. Now we're gonna search the DTC, the trouble codes. zero faults. So my car don't have any trouble codes. And so look at here. If you have some trouble codes or your car have some DTC trouble codes, so you have to clean faults on ECU, right? So we go to clean it. Okay. Now it's done. So that's all. Thank you guys.